I'm over at Lowe's right now. Got a coffee with me. Looking for cat doors. The neighbor's dog decided to run through it. So that's the project today. Replace the cat door where the dog ran through it. I've acquired the cat door. I'm gonna go with this one right here. So just paid. All right, just got back to the house. And we're gonna be installing this kitty door. I have the same model. It should just be as easy as replacing the parts that are broken. Didn't do it again. I hate when I gotta pull off this tape I got on the door. Bad thing about tape is it gets wrapped all around you. Kind of hate to, after I get done ripping this tape off the door, I am going to fix it. You know, I was hoping I would not have to remove said door frame, but it looks like the frame is cracked. So, it might take a little longer than I initially wanted, but I really needed to clean this up anyway. See, I got the tape off one side. You can see I got a crack. So, we'll take this off and I'll get it replaced. Might be a little bit more difficult on this side. It's got that nice rotten duct tape. All right. The door is now open and ready to be removed. All right. Let's see what comes in this kit. This is by Petsafe, and it's the big cat door for cats up to 25 pounds. So, yeah. So what it comes with, you got your hardware kit. Here, I'll go ahead and open it up. You got your little plastic piece that goes kind of on the inside. Oh, hey. Why don't you break it for me before I even get started? All right, let me get the old one off and then we'll put this new one on. So the first thing I want to do is I need to remove the old door. All right, she's loose. So I think I might clean this up today a little bit. You can see I kind of just had to rough it in. It's very difficult to cut through this thin metal with the Sawzall. So I think today what I'm going to do is going to take my Dremel and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Require a little adjustment. I'm not sure if this is the correct way of doing this, but I have to make it fit. You know, got a little bit of a low spot, so. All right, got the Dremel in hand. I'm gonna cut some of this out. Probably need to come in on the other side. Trim a little there. I got a couple pieces I've been wanting to take off here too. I wish I could get this piece off. Just gonna have to beat it in with a hammer, I guess. So I found the best way to do this Let's go ahead and install your hardware. It comes with these white caps. The problem is they're just so loose that they try to fall out. Oh, I failed to mention, the clear part snaps into a groove, and you want to go ahead and install that. All right, bring that hole out a little bit. I'm just going to work on them all. This would be a lot easier if this was a wooden door. Frustration is definitely building. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna step away for a second and see if I can't spot a reaming tool. You know what? I think that's good enough. To these guys. Okay, that one's not lining up at all. That's the mark on that one. Maybe I might just step away and take a break for a second. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a little break on that note. Okay, I've decided to hold this to the door. We're going to take some duct tape, and we're just going to tape it to the frame. And that way it won't push out. Ernest P. Worrell would be proud on this install, on this door. All right. Back on the other side. Where are we at with this? Okay. I have to put these spacers in. That has a spacer. You don't have a spacer. Oh, okay. I can see what the problem is right here. This hole down here is just way off. So, what makes this difficult is you have to align these screws, and you also have to get this trim piece to stay in place which involves a little more metal working than I'd like to do. I've got it duct taped on the inside to kind of hold it in place. So, daggum screws either fall out, they don't line up, just overall, just a pain. I almost wish I had screws that were longer. And not to mention, the nuts they give you just fall right out. Even the little caps that kind of retain them fall right out. So that's the goal here. It's just to get, nope, drop one, nope, drop two. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one at a time. This is just frustrating. I hope that cat appreciates what I'm doing for her. Probably not. I'll probably just get bit in the leg. That's her way of saying she loves me. She just bites me. Of course she went out of the spot. Let me just say the struggle is real on this. Nothing is lining up how it should. Oh, need a little metalworking. I'm real tempted just to leave this piece off, to be honest. The problem I have with this is they literally, the screw holes are just a fraction of an inch away from where they need to be to make this fit in smoothly. At this point, I'm not even worried about it going through the metal. I'm just gonna beat it out to make it easy. The frame alone, if somebody wants to break in the house, they're not gonna come through this way. They're just gonna kick the door in. So we're just gonna make this easy. Oh, it'd just be nice if it'd line up. Oh, okay, time to walk away. Gotta know when to walk away. So installing this cat door has proven to be very difficult. Every one of these screws has to line up exactly with the other side. And if you have a metal door that has these little grooves and valleys, that's almost impossible. So on a difficulty scale on installing this cat door from 1 to 10, this is about a 7. It gets pretty frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. I wish there was a easier way. Even trying to trace a template out for this is difficult. A little windy outside today. So this is going to conclude it. I'm going to tighten this up, and you do not want to over tighten these because it will crack the plastic. But just, I mean, even trying to tighten it right here, it's difficult. You can't get a good angle on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll just try to get these screws out of a bind. I mean, it's just more difficult than it should be, put it that way. For something that should just take maybe an hour, and I'm just replacing the existing one. I think I've already been on this for 35-40 minutes. So yeah, a little bit more difficult than it looks to install the Husky kitty cat door. One side note, whenever you're putting these caps in, these little white caps right here, be sure to use some type of glue to hold them in, because they fall out. If you touch the door, it'll fall out. So maybe that's something the manufacturer can look into, Petsafe. Make these fit a little bit more snug so they don't fall out the first time you use it. I'll take some, I'll come back around with a little alcohol and clean up that residue that's right there. All right, door installed. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. Until next time.